This is a video on how to use the DVIR History page in the Trucker Share portal. First, you go under DVIR, then you go to DVIR History. I'm going to go ahead and pull up some more DVIRs so that we have some more to look at. Here, you can sort it by equipment, by driver, by terminal, by defect, by date range as well. Here is a DVIR. You can pull up the PDF of the DVIR report, the certified DVIR, or the CSV will pull up just a list of all of the defects associated with this DVIR. If you hit the plus sign, it expands it out and you can see all the inspection areas that were inspected. And if you hit the plus sign again, you can see all the inspection points that were inspected. And if you scroll down, you can see that there was a major priority issue with the doors. There was a comment left by the driver. Somebody then can come in here and update details by clicking on the pencil. You can enter in a repair number, say maybe the repairs were made, and enter in a note, maybe door vents back in place is the comment that you want to put there, and then click save. And the next time this piece of equipment is being used with this DVIR, that information will be available to the driver to let them know what has gone on in the past with the defects associated with the vehicle that they are driving. And that is how you use the DVIR history page.